Elective surgeries to be postponed across the state amid the coronavirus pandemic.
Typically, plastic surgery falls into that category, but there are some exceptions. Let's get right to Nicole in the newsroom with plastic surgeon Dr. Joshua Lampert. Nicole.
Louie and Christy, thank you. Dr. Lampert, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Nicole.
Doctor, before we start, I just want to make one note. We are expecting a press conference from Governor Ron DeSantis, so as soon as that happens, we will dump out of this interview and take him live, okay?
Okay, sure thing.
Okay. Can you explain to me and dive into why it is so important to postpone these elective surgeries?
Well, I think there's stress on the current healthcare system that elective surgeries that are unnecessary could potentially further stress if some of those potential cases or patients would require post-surgical treatment in the hospital or hospitalization. So for some things that are elective, like cosmetic procedures, I could see why the governor would want those procedures postponed.
Are there any exceptions? If so, what are they?
Well, in the executive order, the governor did kind of cite Medicaid and Medicare, stating that procedures where there may be a cancer or a problem with a trauma or something of an urgent nature, if not treated in a timely fashion, that could lead to permanent medical sequela, that those types of procedures could be treated in an ambulatory surgery center or office-based setting.
Are there any specific guidelines that you all are following right now amidst the coronavirus?
Well, we're trying to follow all the CDC guidelines and all the guidelines that are coming, and changing week to week. This decree from Governor DeSantis was Friday evening, so a lot of things have changed. In our ambulatory surgery center, we've canceled all elective cosmetic procedures and anything that can be postponed. But as a board-certified plastic surgeon that practices both reconstructive and cosmetic surgery, some of the reconstructive surgeries that we cannot postpone related to cancer or trauma or facial fracture or hand fracture cases.
Thank you, Doctor. We're going to interrupt you for the governor. Governor Ron DeSantis is speaking now.
Ready to roll whenever y'all are.